Solid hole creation in Mastercam 2026 has been redesigned and added many features that add more control and customization for hole creation. We have organized the panel into 3 tabs and added some hole libraries based on a few hardware standards. Users can also create their own custom hole libraries as well. Let's go create some holes in this differential cover. In the Solids tab, select Create Solid Hole. Select the wireframe points for the hole location. We can name the solid hole operation M6 Countersink Holes. In the Hole Style tab, we can choose from the included industry standard libraries. Let's select the Japanese Industrial Standard, or JIS, metric library. We will choose Countersink as the hole style. Choose M6 as a hole size. Choose Through All for the depth. We can add this hole geometry to a custom user library by clicking on the green plus button. Name the library Flange Holes. Under the presets list, we can click the Add button to save these hole properties. Click the green OK button to close and create the holes. With the new workflow and features for hole creation in Mastercam 2026, users have a lot more flexibility and control over their hole creation geometry. Being able to create custom hole libraries and selecting from the standard hole libraries lets users quickly and confidently create accurate geometry.